Paper baby, I pay the pen. Say I am the one, cause you aren't. Brother, I can tell, even when the sky can't fall, even when the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I, with your pretty little hand.
Woo, we are going to install this, let me get it. We're going to install this 613 ash blonde wig. This is my second time doing an install, and I know what I did wrong the last time, so let's do it right this time. Can I just say, I posted a, what's it called, not a reel, a YouTube short recently, and I got a notification, or I got an email saying that my channel has reached 80,000 views, and I was just like, question mark, because I haven't been posting a lot of content lately. So I go on the tracker app, and no, I go on TubeBuddy, and yeah, one of my reels got over 52,000 views, and I was just like, whoa. And then I gained like 40 subscribers. So if you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Mir, and you made it just in time, because this new chapter of my life, oh man, I'm in my late 20s. Oh my gosh. We're gonna call this new series 20 somethings, because I feel like I am forming or evolving into the woman that I want to become. So I'm excited for that. So yeah, let's get into this install. Stretch this out. Oh, maybe I should have brushed my edges back. I should have did that. 1 second. It's nothing in here. All right, we're just gonna have to work with what we have, because I'm not going to the store. All right, let's get into this install. So at the beginning, it was kind of chaotic because I was rushing through laying my edges down and rushing to dry the glue. I should have took more time on doing that, but I will say this was better than my first install with another wig that I didn't show you guys, because it low-key looked crazy. The color is absolutely gorgeous, but the install that I did was crazy. So I made sure I just took my time on that. So I just made sure that I went in a couple of times with some pre-spray, some my glue. Can't remember what the glue is from the top of my head. Bow hold, that's what it's called, bow hold. And I used my even spray as well, just to make sure that that cap was laid down correctly. And I had to make sure that this wig actually fit my hairline. As you can see, like, my hairline is like a M at the top with a slight widow's peak, and it kind of comes forward close to my eyebrows on the side. So I just wanted to make sure that I took my time to cut the wig, and you guys will see that later on in the video. I cut around the top of the hairline to make sure that it fit my widow's peak. I made this mistake before, not cutting the lace to fit my hairline, and there's been a couple of times I had wigs sit on my forehead, like close to my eyebrows, and I looked crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I did it right because it's my birthday year. I can't be outside looking crazy on my birthday. That's a no-no. But I actually had fun putting this on. I do wish I used a different stocking cap. I know that the girlies say to use pantyhose, but I didn't have pantyhose on me at the time. I just had some wig caps that came with the wigs that I purchased, and they weren't bad, but you know, it could have been better. So it can be more skin light, and easier to blend out, or blend out onto the skin. One thing I don't like was the pressed powder on the wig cap. I felt like it lifted the cap a little bit, and maybe I would be heavy, but I took my wig off after I was done wearing it. I did have a lot of makeup on my actual hair, so I was kind of like, I don't really like this method. Maybe it's the way that I applied it, I don't know. But yeah, I'll try something different next time. So yeah, so here you can see I am cutting out my widow's peak, and I was taking my sweet time with this because I didn't want to mess up the front of the wig, because had I did that, it would have been over. I would waste my money on this. And I did pick this wig up from Amazon. I'll leave that in the description as below so you guys can see. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was like $126, $24, something like that. So after I got done cutting, it looked perfect. I just knew that when I placed it down to glue, it was going to eat. And yeah, happy dance, I did that. So I don't know what happened to the other portion of the video where I was actually gluing the front part down, but I just used a little bit of bold hold, and I'm using the end of my rat tail to press it down. I do wish I would have waited longer for the glue to dry, because one side of my head looked better than the other side. So this side was more of the janky side because I didn't really let the glue dry. It was still kind of wet and white. I should have just let it, get a little bit more clear before I pressed it down. But then the other side, that was it. Okay, I have to look back at what I did, so next time it will be the same way on both sides. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Okay, so let me pause this real fast. When I got this wig, I initially had it as a side part because I wanted to do some curls, but then I changed it to a middle. And the middle is cute and all, but since it's short, I got a 22 and I cut a little bit because it wasn't giving. And this wig is kind of on the thinner side, so that's another reason why I cut it, because the ends was kind of straggly. I do know I want to put some curls in it. I just don't know if I want to do a middle part or a side part. So I don't know. So when I first got it, like straight out the pack, I washed it with purple shampoo, but I didn't know that technically wasn't toning your hair. That was just taking out the brassiness of the yellow. So I went in and used the tea. Actually, no, I'm lying. That was for my other wig. I just used purple shampoo for this one. Yeah, hopefully Hopefully that matches when I take it off, because that looks crazy right now. Okay, so I just went and put some heat protectant in my hair, and I'm using this curling iron from Conair. I don't know what size this is. Oh no, it's a 1 inch from Conair. I'm not the best curler, so we're going to see how this goes, and hopefully I don't have myself out here looking crazy. So this is a first, okay? Oh, that's hot. That's hot already. So do you curl like this first?
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside.
If this doesn't work, I'm just going to get my wand curler
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside,
and do it that way.
TT, 2-turn
Because I honestly do not know how to curl my hair. Usually I curl my hair I'll curl my hair before I put on the wig and put some flexi rods in it, and I don't know why I didn't do that, because that would have made my life so much easier. And I don't have any bobby pins to pin it. So that's just lovely. Unless I use the claw clip, but that's gonna leave crinkles in my hair. Okay. Learning. So woo! I got my finger. Yeah, this is why I do this before I put on the wig, because ow. But I'm gonna come back once I'm halfway done with this so I can focus, because I cannot afford to burn myself, because if I do, I'm gonna be very upset. So I'll be back in a quick second. Okay, so I don't know what happened with the clip of me curling the front of my hair, but this is the final result. I absolutely love the curls. I just put some flexi rods in it after I was done brushing it out, making sure that the curls fell a little bit because I didn't want them to be too tight, and I did add a little bit more layers in the wig as well so it can flow more. But I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. Make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, you subscribe, and you press the bell post notification as well. And if you want to see more hair tutorials, wig installs, give the video a big thumbs up as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. I believe